Check out this pre-owned 2011 Ram 1500 Laramie 4x4. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter V8 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ram has less than 120,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 13 miles per gallon in the city, and 19 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include automatic climate control, DVD player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, universal remote, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, Bluetooth, and power windows.